Welcome to BZBGEAR Pro, a new channel dedicated to professionals, dealers, and AV enthusiasts. We explore the complex world of audiovisual technology, broadcasting, and the emerging live streaming industry. In-depth tutorials, webinars, and a comprehensive look into BZBGEAR products and solutions. Chat with our experts, ask questions, and gain insight on your current projects. Join us as we uncover modern-day AV solutions for residential and commercial applications, houses of worship, healthcare, education, retail spaces, government, military, and video conferencing. Our goal to provide the proper tools and knowledge ensures success in the field. If AV is your life, amplify it with BZBGEAR Pro.